My TV is the type of TV that turned up loud by itself. I had a 55-inch girl, and it was broke because my uncle had stole it from somebody's house. So boom, I'm watching TV, y'all, and I'm eating my cereal. I thought I heard voices talking in the backyard, but the TV turned up, and I was like, what? Okay, I must be tripping. Hey beautiful, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Kyrielle, and today is another story time, girl. Okay, let's just get into it. We had just moved to this new neighborhood, right? You know how they build new houses in old neighborhoods? It didn't really have a good reputation, but the house was new. You know what's crazy? When I told my homegirls where I moved to, they was like, girl, what? That is not somewhere to be living at. I used to love for my room to be really, really bright, so I would always open my blinds and have them open all day. So I was watching TV one day on my phone, and I could just feel somebody staring at me. It was the creepiest shit ever, but I didn't think nothing of it. I literally just closed my blinds. So boom, anyways, fast forward to this one Saturday. My mom is the type, she gets up 6:30 in the morning. She's the type, early bird gets the worm, right? So we used to go shopping every single weekend, and she would always want to be like the first people in the stores. She came in my room one Saturday, and she was like, girl, come on, get up, we finna go. Like, you know the vibes, bitch, let's go. And I kid you not, like this day, I literally just felt so blah. Like I didn't want to get up and do anything. So I was like, Mom, I'm gonna just stay home. Girl, I was just not in the mood, okay? So she kept telling me, no, get up, like come on, get up. I got up and I started brushing my teeth, getting ready. And then I was just like, Mom, I just don't want to go. Like, I just don't want to go. I can't even act like I want to go. I just don't feel like going. So she finally was like, girl, okay, whatever. Like, I'm not gonna keep begging you. So she ended up getting ready and she had left, right? I go in the kitchen, make me something to eat. Not really something to eat, probably just like a bowl of cereal, girl. And then I went back to my room, turned on some SpongeBob. Because one thing about me, baby, I'm gonna watch SpongeBob. I still would watch SpongeBob. But anyways, the way our house was made, it was like a big, nice house. 2 stories. We had like a sliding glass door in the back. And it was like a really big backyard, and the backyard led to the other houses, so it wasn't really like a creepy backyard. So boom, I'm watching TV, y'all. My TV is the type of TV that turns up. It was the type of TV that turned up loud by itself. I had a 55-inch girl, and it was broke because my uncle had stole it from somebody's house, and he gave it to me. And that shit used to turn up by itself, like literally out of nowhere, y'all. It was so aggravating because when I'm home by myself, I don't like nothing to be too loud because I like to be able to hear what's going on. I thought I heard voices talking in the backyard, but the TV turned up and I was like, what? Okay, I must be tripping. I finished eating my cereal. I go put my bowl in the sink. The kitchen is right next to the sliding glass door, right? I heard footsteps running. Like, as soon as I dropped the bowl and the spoon in the sink, I literally heard footsteps running. I swear, in the moment, I was so delusional looking back on it, but I thought it was like a cat because it was always cats around. Y'all know how it be, like it always be like stray cats around in the neighborhoods or whatever. So I didn't think nothing of it, and I went to start cleaning up because that's another thing we did. We typically cleaned up on Sundays, but because I was already home, I'm like, let me just clean up. So girl, I turned my TV off and I started listening to music. I put my headphones in, actually. At the time I had beats on, y'all, but they wasn't super loud. They was just loud enough for me to jam. I'm literally mopping, I'm dusting, deep cleaning, bitch. I'm upstairs cleaning, right? Literally out of nowhere, y'all, I could feel a presence. You gotta keep in mind, I'm legally blind, so I can't really see people unless they're super close up on me. But I could feel a presence, and I'm like, I'm not crazy. I know I'm not tripping. I put down the little cleaning stuff. I walk out of the bathroom. I look over the little staircase balcony. I feel a breeze, y'all. So I back up into one of the rooms. Obviously, at this point, the headphones is off my head. They off my head, girl. I can hear running through the house downstairs, and I could hear them stepping on glass. Y'all, it was like at least 4 dudes down there. And come to find out, okay, I'm gonna go to that. I run into one of the rooms, lock the door. I get into the closet, call my mom. I'm like, Mom, somebody has broken in, blah, 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 blah. She was like, what the fuck, are you serious? Where are you? Where are you? I said, Mom, I'm upstairs in the closet. I'm good. I don't think they're coming up here. I didn't think they was coming up there. Girl, we both called the police. I hung up, called the police. She called the police. She immediately was on her way, obviously. I'm literally so fucking scared at this point. And I'm guessing they thought no one was home because my mom was the only one who had a car. They probably figured no one was home, but I was home. I started to hear the doorknob twisting on the room. Bitch, I damn near almost came out that closet and jumped out that window, but something told me no. Be quiet, stay in this closet. They literally kicked the room door in the closet, y'all. They looked in the bathroom in that room. I could hear them throwing shit around. They come into the room, lift the mattress, bitch. They lift the mattress up, flip it, looking all through up under the mattress. I could just tell he walked towards the closet door, and bitch, my heart dropped to my asshole. You don't understand. Like, it was so crazy. I heard his footsteps walking towards the closet door, and then his homeboys was like, hey, 5-0, 5-0, 5-0. And I heard the sirens of the police officers, girl. And they took off running out of the house. And literally at the same time the police pulled up, my mom pulled up. I was just so happy and so grateful because ain't no telling what would happen if he would have saw me. But they ended up stealing my pink Timberlands. They stole my Michael Kors purse. They stole my favorite Louis Vuitton purse. They stole my wallets. Thank God it was a wallet that I had just took my stuff out of because, girl, I'm so crazy. I keep important shit in my wallet. I don't know why, but I do. I don't know why they flipped the mattress. Like, what the fuck was y'all looking for real? What y'all think? We drug dealers? Like, what we gonna hide under the mattress? Oh, money. My mom did say that. She was like, people be hiding money under their mattress. I would never put money under my mattress. Anywho, what else they stole? They tried to steal my mom's flat screen, but they dropped it. They stole honey buns. Our snack stand was actually right in front of the sliding glass door. So when they broke the sliding glass door, they kind of moved the snack stand to the side and then took some shit off the snack stand. I was so mad because those was like, I can't find those pink Timberland boots nowhere. Like, no one has the same exact pink that I had. Oh, they also stole my MacBook too. They stole my fucking MacBook. Oh, that's so irritating. After that, we literally could barely sleep. Like, we really could not sleep in that house no more. And then we tried to get the neighbors to give us their camera, because we didn't have a Ring camera yet. We had just moved there. And the people in front of us, the neighbors right in front of us was like, oh, our Ring camera doesn't work like that, so it ain't no point in giving it to you. And I just feel like, bitch, you just trying to stay out of it. And then it was this old bitch that stayed right next to us. I know she's seeing something. She's always home. Tell me why she gonna say, oh, I didn't see anything, and I don't know those boys that was running in that backyard. I thought you didn't see nothing. But anywho, we never really found out who did it. But right after that, y'all, we literally moved. And I feel like they've been watching us because they knew to do it Saturday morning because we always gone. It felt like it was so short, but I hope y'all enjoyed that story time. And I pray you guys stay safe and always be aware of your surroundings. Okay? I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. I'm out.